Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today we'll talk about how you can get the bulk action and you can save yourself some time and have all of your videos uploaded. So, the only thing you need to do is whenever you're creating your workflow, you need to do the auto publish thing. When you click on the auto publish thing, it will always post your content, either existing content or future content. So, for example, I click on the I click on auto publish, it will upload the video. For example, I have this workflow which has Instagram to YouTube, and when you do from Instagram to a lot of other social media account that you want to post, all you need to do is you have to click on auto publish after you've created your workflow. So to create a workflow, it's very easy. You need to create new workflow, and you have to add your destination and also your source. For example, in this one, my source is Instagram, and then I want to publish to YouTube. So it will take a bulk action and it will post all of your content on destination and on source to destination. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.